So here's another cool thing. This is what Rodney's been working on. We have this rocket heater. It's actually a stove. It's still a little warm. It's a 4-burner rocket stove. There's our feed tube. We buried the burn chamber in the floor so that we could get a full height riser there. And this is actually a hole in the top that we can either install a canning pot in, or we can install an oven. I guess it's too dark to see in there, but we got an oven that sits over that hole and makes cookies. So the exhaust comes through the burn chamber up into this insulated riser, and then either out the oven or circulates under these pots, and you cook eggs or whatever, and then the exhaust goes up once it's cooled down fairly significantly so that it can go through just a piece of zinc coated pipe without catching anything on fire or emitting nasties. It's just not warm enough to send the zinc off anymore. And yeah, so that's a nice little thing that Rodney's been working on here at the Rocket Mass Heater Jamboree that we're just finishing. Stay tuned, unclemud.com.